Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 cups milk and optional 1/2 cup cream for extra body. Combine cocoa, sugar, and a pinch of salt in a small bowl. This balances flavor. Now take 2 tablespoons of hot milk and whisk into the cocoa to form a smooth paste. This avoids lumps. Once done, pour the remaining milk into a small saucepan and set over medium heat. Make sure not to boil. We want steaming milk, around 170 degrees, for best texture. You now whisk the paste into the steaming milk vigorously so the cocoa dissolves and the mixture becomes velvety. This is how you get a uniform, rich base. Once combined, lower the heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Stir constantly for 3 to 4 minutes so flavors meld and any raw cocoa bitterness cooks out. Make sure to taste and adjust sugar, and add a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla or a tablespoon of melted chocolate for depth. If needed, skim any foam and keep stirring to prevent separation. You finish by frothing the hot chocolate to your preference. Use a whisk for gentle foam, a handheld frother for denser microfoam, or shake aggressively in a jar for rustic bubbles. Pour into warmed mugs and garnish with whipped cream, cinnamon, grated chocolate, or marshmallows to enhance aroma and texture. Once done, taste and make final tweaks. If you notice scorching or burnt notes, stop, strain solids, and remake the milk base at lower heat. This tip preserves flavor and prevents off-tastes in future batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.